Hello everyone, I am Sanjeev Pandey and today this is video 2 on the chapter We Are Not Afraid to Die If We Can All Be Together, written by Gordon Cook and Alan East. Let us start. Our boat, Wave Walker, a 23-meter, 30-ton wooden hulled beauty, had been professionally built, and we had spent months fitting it out and testing it in the roughest weather we could find. Here, the narrator is describing about his boat. See, our boat, Wave Walker. Wave Walker was the name of the boat. Wave Walker was the name of the boat. Our boat, Wave Walker, are 23-meter. See, it was 23-meter long. It was 23 meters long. 30-ton wood. This was the weight of the boat. 30-ton wooden. It was made of wooden. Hulled beauty. Actually, hulled means the frame, the main body of the boat was wooden. And it was 30 ton in weight. 30-ton wooden hulled beauty. Beauty means it was very beautiful. And the main body of the boat was wooden and it was 30 tons. It was 30 tons in weight. Had been professionally built and it was built in professional manner as the professional sailors use the boats in the same way. This boat was also built for the narrator. And we had spent months fitting it out and testing it in the roughest weather we could find. And they, we mean the narrator and his family members, had spent months, they passed months fitting it and testing it. They had fitted each and everything in the boat and they also tested. It means the boat in the roughest weather, most dangerous weather we could find, they could find. The first leg, here leg means stage of our planned 3 year. Actually, they had planned to make voyage for 3 years. And the first stage now started. See, the first leg means phase or you can say stage. First stage of our planned 3 year, 1,05,000 kilometer journey passed pleasantly in very pleasant manner, without any tension, without any risk, in happy way. The first phase was of 1,05,000 kilometers that passed. That journey passed in pleasant way, without any risk, without any tension. As we sailed down the best coast of Africa to Cape Town, as we means they sailed down the west coast of Africa to Cape Town. There was no problem, there was no risk, everything passed in very pleasant way. There, before heading east, heading means moving, sailing towards east, we took on two crewmen, crewmen sailors, American Larry Vigil, These are the names of the sailors the narrator took. See, there before heading is going towards east, before moving towards east, they took on two crewmen, two sailors, American Larry Vigil and Swiss Herb Segler, to help them tackle, to handle one of the world's roughest sea. And the narrator took these sailors to help him in tackling, in handling the world's roughest sea, the Southern Indian Ocean. That is Southern Indian Ocean. That is world's roughest seas. Our second day out of Cape Town, we began to encounter strong gales. Gales means strong storms, strong winds. On our second day out of Cape Town, as they came out from the Cape Town on the second day, on our second day when they were out of Cape Town, they began to encounter, they began to meet strong gales. Strong means strong, gales means storms, sea storms. For the next few weeks, they blew continuously. These storms blew continuously without any break. They continued to blow. For the next few weeks, they blew continuously. Gales did not worry. The narrator was not worried about the gales, but the size of the waves was alarming, was terrifying, was very dangerous. Gales, storms, strong storms did not worry me. The narrator was not worried about gales, but the size of the waves was alarming. But the size of the waves was very dangerous, was very terrifying. Actually, high waves were rising from the sea, and that was very terrifying, very dangerous. And the narrator was actually worried about these the narrator was worried about the size of these waves that were rising from the sea. And what was the height? The height of these waves was up to 15 meters. Up to 15 meters, as high as our mainmast. And these waves were as high as their mainmast that they were using on the boat. Mean to say, the sea waves were rising up to 15 meters, and they were as high as the mainmast of the boat. December 25 found us 3,500 kilometers east of Cape Town. Mean to say, on December 25, they were 3,050 kilometers east of Cape Town. Mean to say, on December 25, they were 3,005 kilometers of Cape Town. Despite atrocious weather, atrocious means dangerous, horrible. Atrocious means horrible, dangerous. In spite of atrocious weather, we had a wonderful holiday. They had a wonderful holiday, complete with a Christmas tree, because it was Christmas on 25th December, 25th December, and they celebrated Christmas with Christmas tree. New Year's Day saw no improvement in the weather, and there was no improvement on the day of New Year. New Year's Day saw no improvement in the weather. Mean to say, there was no improvement in the weather on the day of New Year. But we concluded, we thought in reasonable manner that it had to change soon. That they thought, they told themselves with reason that it means the sea storm and waves, they had to change soon. Soon the weather would change. And it did change. Yes, it did change for the worse. But the weather changed from bad to worse. At dawn on January 2, the waves were gigantic. At dawn means in the morning time. At dawn means in the morning. On January 2, the waves were gigantic means very huge, very big. We were sailing with only small storm jib, and they were sailing with only a small storm jib and were making 8 knots. What is knot? Actually, knot is a unit to measure the distance in sea or in the river covered by ship or boat. Actually, mostly it is used to measure the distance in seas covered by ships or boats. So that is distance in seas. We were sailing only with a small storm jib, and were still making 8 knots. As the ship rose to the top of each wave. Actually, what was happening? The sea waves were rising and they were moving upward. The ship, the boat. As the ship rose to the top of each wave, we could see endless means continuous, enormous means very big sea. Sea means here sea waves rolling towards us, rolling towards them. As the waves were coming and the ship was uplifted on the top of the waves, so they were able to see other sea waves that were rolling, that were coming in rolling way towards them. And the screaming is crying of the wind, and they were able to hear the crying sound of the wind. And spray of water drops was painful to the ears, and the spray drops were striking the ears of them. That was painful. To slow the boat down, to slow down the speed of the boat, they dropped the storm jib. And Lasme tied a heavy mooring. Mooring means rope. Mooring rope means the rope that is used to secure a boat or ship on the coast. Mooring rope is the rope that is used to secure a boat or ship on the coast. To see what happened. To slow the boat down, to slow down the speed of the boat, they dropped the storm jib, and Lasme tied a heavy mooring rope in a noose across the stern. Stern means back part of the boat or ship. Then we double lashed everything, and they tied each and everything in double manner. Then we double lashed, they tied everything in double manner. Bent through me did our life raft drill, and they also did practice by using life raft. Actually, what is life raft? Life raft is made of wooden logs that is used in emergency to sail out from the sea if the ship or boat is going to sink. Attach lifeline, and these life rafts were attached with lifeline. Life means a rope that is tied to the steamer or small boat to help the person to come out and go inside. A doomed means bore. Put on oilskin waterproof and life jackets. They bore waterproof and life jackets and waited for what? They waited for the storm to go away and they waited for the weather to be calm, peaceful. Thank you. Have a nice day.